All right, this is the 2017 Haas VF-2 Vertical Machining Center.
Open these up.
Let me walk around back first.
Okay.
Then we'll come back.
Got some documentation in here. Got some stuff in here too, I think. Yeah, more books. Take a look at the air package, maybe. Boiler down low. There's our fourth axis plug-ins. Down low we're temped in at 208 volts, which is what the transformer's currently kind of asking for, so which is tappable up to 260. I/O down here, 4-axis drives, XYZ fourth, and of course the 40 horse spindle drive off to the right. Cooling system down low on wheels. I don't even have it plugged in, but the line just comes right out. And filtration. Part of the chute on the floor down here is all for the conveyor, of course. That plugs in. Yeah, right there. And that's it sticking out. Yep. Auger. Tool changer up here. How many is that?
24.
24, yeah, there it is. Yeah. All right. Yeah, so
Open the doors now.
Yeah, we can do a couple things manually and we'll pop open, maybe take a closer look inside here. Just straight away, I guess I think I had a spindle speed set up on here. I should be able to just power it right up. I think I had it set around 4,000 and we can just kind of go high and low. I don't know where I left it off. Let's see. Oh, that's right. It's a 700. It's going to stay there because the doors are closed. I have to open. I have to close the doors. I can run it back up again and then turn it back on again. It's just at 740. So if I shut these down, I'll regain control. That shuts off, and then we can dial that up a little bit, a couple different ways that I know of. I'm not strong on the Haas controls, but we can bring that up. There's 2360, 27, or off the handle, I think, too. Handle spindle, there we go. And now I can bring it up off the pulse generator. There's 4100 right there. I can go up a little bit more. There's 4600. Coming along. I think I can open here now. Let's see. It'll let me. No, right back down to 700. That's a fail safe there. And we'll close it back up again. Go back up. And 5120. It goes right back to where I was at before, so you can kind of hear it. 4319. 46, 47, 49, 50. I'll stop and go. You can just hear it fire up here. Stop. There's 0. Right top line there. And forward. 51. Stop. Reverse. straight up there. See spindle low down here. We're barely bumping it. And one more time. 51. It's a smooth running spindle. There's 6, just over 6. Yep. So that's that, and spindle's good. We can run that. It's running in the program too. I didn't notice what RPM the program that I picked out. There's several in here, but we'll stop there. And I think if the door's open, I'm pretty sure I can move some things around here, axis-wise. So if I go to, let's see, Z, jog, with position up there. Yeah, I've got it there. I'm at full out right now, by the way, as far as the multiplier is concerned, so. That looks, yeah, you can get it pretty close on this one. Yeah. That looks nice. And X, same thing, jog that around. A bit of Y. Send that back up a little bit. Go back up with Z a little bit. Oh, I forgot to hit that. There we go. Try that again. I can't get it. I'm too fast. I had it on Z. Z. Invalid axis. Okay. I still got X. Now we can go to MDI here, and I think I can go up to MO6, T1. My next tool is T25. I'll do one manual change if I can pull that off. T25 would be the next tool. Let me alter that and go back on MO6, T25. This should be a manual tool change. I think I can do it with the doors open. So let's try that. Doors open. I can't do it with the doors open. We tried. There we go. Pick a side and let's try that again. One tool change. Real time. And then I'll change that and go back to tool 1 again. 1 second. T1. And let's see if that works. Hang on. T1. Let me get this right. Alpha and let's see if we got it. I just went from 1 to 25, so that's it right there. Now, having said that, I've got one program on here. It takes about a minute here. If you want to do that, let's go to memory, and it's just whatever that program is. There's a lot of them in there. And at this point, I don't have to hit cycle start, feed hold. I'm just going to go right with cycle start. My feed is at 130. I'm going to slow down the feed to 100%. Spindle at 100%, and rapid's at 50% for the time being. We'll run it one time and see how this all goes. I should be good here. Let's see. That's all at 100%, except for rapid. I think it takes about a minute to walk through this program. It's small, it's hard to see a lot of it. You have to kind of really get in on it and watch it, but we're not cutting. I can speed up the feed rate even a little bit here. There we go. Move that along. You can see position here. Let me change this over. I changed over the screen so you kind of watch the tail end. It's coming up on one more tool change right at the end. When it gets up to MO625, it'll change. There we go. Back to the beginning of the program. Want to go that again, or are you okay with that?
That's good.
Yeah, it runs pretty good. It's a good running machine. So